Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and I would like to show you the end result of this Junghans. Well, when you see it like this and you say end result, all the stains on the dial, and did you do anything? Well, I've got something to show you. This is when the dial came in. You see the edges, water, rust, and you see some of the print, the black print is gone. No dial feet, so they were stuck to the movement with the horrible dial pip scrap sticky stuff. So there was a lot to do for the dial alone. And with the discoloration, especially there and there, this is the best we could do. But then again, we did some work, and here you see the dial feet are soldered back just like original, how it should be. Soldering is still the best way to attach the dial to the movement, because it doesn't come up, but it doesn't move sideways as well. So the soldered dial feet, well, that is the best. And then, well, you can see all the numbers. This is so tricky. I have my trusty one hair pencil, not pencil, pencil, brush, that's it. My trusty one hair brush, well, we look alike, and it was painstakingly with a one hair brush restoring the vintage Junghans dial. In a moment I'll show you the paint I use. It is a bit sticky, a bit chewy, but I love how I can manipulate the droplet in filling the original index. It is a fiddly job. Why do we do it under the microscope? Otherwise you really don't see what you're doing. Here another piece. You can see the 40 and the line. It is a fiddly job. You can see it's a bit sticky, a bit chewy. It is the model, well, we use umbrel here. Simple umbrel enamel. We get the best result with this particular paint, and in this instance we use satin, because that really resembles the original print. It is a fiddly job. I always do it with earplugs in, and well, we use this air shocks. So with earplugs, complete. I tell the guys here I'm off the planet, and then I don't take the phones, and if a client comes in, well, sorry, you have to wait, because it is so difficult. Well, not difficult, but you need the real deep. Well, the watch case, well, the movement is clean and beautiful amplitude. The case itself, well, that looked like this, battered, bruised, and some DNA. That happens to everybody. Just when you're wearing a watch, the wrist cheese is building up. But now you can see at the edges it was a bit jagged and, well, really worn watch. But now you can see especially the edges completely back to original. And what maybe is nice to show you is the case back, because this one is a bit hard to open, this case back. So when it came in, it looked like this, with all the scratches and markings to try to open the case back. And there you can see the notch. This just, well, led an intensive life, but now with all the marks, look at this. This is some scratches are still slightly visible, like there, but it's so close to the letters. Well, I made a decision. I leave that. It's slightly visible when you play with light, but I don't want to compromise the engraving. That's simply more important than that slightly scratch still visible. So a lovely project. I press it down in a moment. Well, look for a beautiful strap, and well, a hell of a job, but it is so satisfying, these watches, to get perfect again. If you want to clean your watch, chamois, the natural, is for me the best. So even though there are still stains on the dial, all the numbers, all the indexes are still again visible, and I'm sure the owner will appreciate it, and it's going back to the Channel Islands for another lease of life. Thank you so much for your attention. See you soon. See ya. Bye bye.